Children, I have come up with a new sound again. Before that, let's revise the letters and sound we have learned till now. Yes, A, apple, B, ball, K, cat. Now, after that, which sound is coming? Yes, guess children.
Dolly has a dancing doll. D says D, D, D. Danzo is Dolly's dog. She loves to play with him all day long. Donuts and dates. She loves to eat all of them. Dragons and dinosaurs. She's scared of them. But Dolly loves a dancing doll. D says da da da. Yes, children, we are talking about today letter D and its sound. D says D. Now let's see how does the letter look like. One standing line, one curve. Make D. D says D. Now look here. There are so many pictures which have D sound. The dice, the dolphin, the duck, the dinosaur, the doctor, the dog. Now let's do an activity for the letter.
Now children, let's form the letter by using some clay. I have taken a piece of clay. Now I will roll it nicely and make a standing line. See, this is one standing line. Now take another piece of clay and roll it nicely again. Roll, 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 roll. And now place it like a curve. And look here, this is letter D and the sound is D. Now let's write it on the slate. Take a chalk piece. Make one standing line from top to bottom. Now again from top to bottom, come down. Make a curve. This is letter D and the sound is D. And you can also trace the letter on a rava tray or rice or any grain you can use, children, okay?